Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you. I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the charcoal teeth whitening powder. This was by Coco Shine. Now the Coco Shine actually did reach out to me and offered to send me this guy for free to test for you guys, which I kindly took up their offer. I've been seeing these charcoal teeth whitening powders like going viral online. I've been so interested to see what it was all about. So when they reached out to me, I totally snatched up the offer to be able to test it out for you guys and give you the lowdown, let you know if it's really worth it, if it really works. Now I've been testing it out for the last week or so I'm going to give you a full-on review. None of this first impressions bullshit. This is going to be an in-depth review on this product, so if you're interested in hearing all about it, then just keep watching. Now guys, before we jump into the video, I will just let you know that Coco Shine, like I said in the intro, did reach out to me and offered to send me the teeth whitening powder and also their toothbrush for free to test out for you guys, but I am under no obligation. I'm not being paid. This isn't sponsored. I'm in no way obliged to be giving them a positive review. This will be a 100% honest review for you guys, so just wanted to let you know that before we jumped into the video. So I've just pulled up the Coco Shine website so I can read a little bit more about the claims and what this product's meant to do, so you guys are aware. So activated charcoal is 100% natural. It protects teeth enamel, removes toxins, reduces plaque, brightens your smile, promotes healthy gums, detoxifies your mouth, and freshens your breath. It says here that activated charcoal is a powerful natural remedy used to flush out toxins and chemicals from your body. Our medical grade activated charcoal binds toxin stains and plaque from your teeth and flushes them straight out of your mouth through a process called absorption. Now the best thing about these charcoal powders is that they're 100% natural, which is amazing. Coco Shine actually uses charcoal from coconut shells, which is really cool. I love coconut. It says it contains no nasty chemicals, preservatives, or additives. It's not been tested on any animals and is 100% natural, vegan friendly, and cruelty free, which is awesome in my book. Now I've been using this product for just a bit over a week now, and guys, I'm actually really digging the results. Now I'm actually quite lucky. I don't really suffer from really stained or discolored teeth. I have a few superficial stains, mainly just because I love coffee and it really does stain my teeth. I do notice that quite a bit, but my main issue that I suffer from is actually fluoride poisoning, which I don't know if any of you guys know about it. If you're interested in hearing more about it, you can Google it. Just Google fluoride poisoning teeth. So basically, from when I was younger, I had too much fluoride in my diet or consumed too much fluoride. Now that can be from drinking too much water with fluoride in it, but me mainly was from swallowing toothpaste. It sounds really gross and I was a pretty gross kid, but I used to swallow a lot of my toothpaste because it was so minty and it was just like tasted a bit like a minty lolly. So I used to swallow my toothpaste a lot, which unfortunately left me with some discoloration and some patchiness staining on my teeth. Now that is my main concern when it comes to my teeth, and unfortunately this product didn't whiten that and get rid of the staining. Pretty much the only thing that's going to fix that is if I get it professionally whitened and cleaned and basically bleach the shit out of my teeth to get them all one kind of color look. What I have noticed with this product is that it is 100% removing any of that kind of superficial staining that I get from drinking my coffee. Now I can get on with and I can live with my fluoride stained speckled teeth. I can get over that. Now the thing that I can't stand is making it look worse with just superficial staining from drinking like coffee or like Coke or things like that, which this product has 100% helped to improve, which I'm so thrilled about. I will be inserting here a few pictures of my teeth, a kind of before and after product, so you can see the difference. So this is my teeth before using the Coco Shine charcoal powder. As you can see, they're not terrible. Like I don't have terribly discolored or yellow teeth at all. I do have a little bit of staining on my front teeth, but also on my eye teeth as well. They're not too bad though. I will let you know as well that this picture was taken using studio lighting. Studio lighting tends to make everything look a little bit whiter, brighter, and crisper. So just as a comparison for you. This is the after. So this is after about 10 days of using it once a day. As you can see, my teeth definitely look a lot whiter. Don't mind the little bits of charcoal that you can see around my gum line. I literally took this photo straight after the last brush. So that's why I've got a little bit of that kind of coloring around the edges. Normally I would go in and use my normal toothpaste to make sure I don't have any of that residue left over, but I wanted to get this photo and this video up for you pronto. So you know as well, this photo was taken in natural daylight. I just really couldn't be bothered to get all my studio lighting out to do like a proper comparison, but yeah, just so you know, this is taken in natural daylight. So yeah, this is the after. Much whiter than it was before, but again, as I said, I don't suffer from extremely discolored teeth in the first place. But yeah, I'm really happy with the result. Now, it's not a huge difference, but I can definitely notice it. And like I said, I didn't really suffer from really discolored teeth to begin with, but I have noticed that this has definitely helped to remove any of those superficial stains. Now, I've used white strips in the past and also like a Listerine like teeth whitening mouthwash, and guys, they sting the crap out of my teeth. I use those white strips and you're meant to use them for like 2 weeks or something like that. I put them on and maybe second or third day, the air hurts my teeth. That is how sensitive they are. Same with the Listerine mouthwash. I feel like it burns as well, which is really unpleasant. Now, the best thing about this, it doesn't hurt at all. I did notice at the beginning that my gums were getting a little bit sensitive, but I think that's because I was brushing twice. So brushing once with the charcoal powder and then also once with my normal toothbrush. I felt like the double cleaning was kind of maybe hurting my gums a little bit, but I've definitely gotten used to it now and doesn't hurt at all. This 100% helps to remove plaque off my teeth. My teeth feel so smooth. None of that very gross feeling is happening on these teeth whatsoever. And what I love about it as well is that it's so simple to use. You're not having to like peel off a strip and like place it on your teeth and walk around like this and dry your teeth before you put the strip on, walk around with a light on your mouth or anything like that. It's so easy. You just brush your teeth. Everyone knows how to brush their teeth. Now moving on to the actual product itself, it comes in this jar. You get 30 grams of product, which guys is actually quite a lot. You barely use any of this when you use it, so this jar is going to last you. You open it up, and what I love about this one is that it actually has a stopper. A lot of brands which have this powder whitening charcoal, it's just open. So as soon as you open up the lid, the charcoal goes everywhere. I love that it has this stopper. The downside of this is that it is a little bit messy. I would definitely recommend doing this as like a nighttime step. So before you go to bed, once you've like kind of washed your face and everything like that, using this product before you go in and clean your teeth properly before bed. I do find that I get it like all over my mouth. So when you do spit this out, it does tend to go a little bit everywhere, but it doesn't stain, which is amazing. So you can literally just wash it off your basin. It doesn't stain any of your like hand towels or anything like that, so that's great. Now since using this product, I've 100% noticed that my gums are not bleeding as much. I know this can sound really gross, so that when I floss my teeth, sometimes I find that my gums tend to bleed a little bit from flossing, but I've noticed since using this, I don't know whether it's the double brushing that's doing it, it's making my gums feel a little bit more durable, but my gums aren't bleeding as much, which is amazing. Guys, I don't really know about freshening your breath. I do definitely feel like I still need to use a normal toothpaste after this, not only to get away a little bit of the staining, which can get up into the tops of my gums to get rid of that charcoal stain, but I just don't really get that nice fresh minty feeling that I get after cleaning my teeth. So don't know really about it freshening your breath, but I 100% agree that it gets rid of the plaque. This guy is like a plaque magnet. It is amazing. The texture of this, look, it is a powder. It's not like nothing in your mouth. You can definitely feel that there is a bit of powder in your mouth, so it has a tiny little bit of grit, but it's not like when you kind of get a bit of sand in your mouth and it's really gritty. It's not like that. It's really fine, so it's not unpleasant or anything like that. And I do recommend to use the brush that they give you. Now this brush, I don't know if you can see, I've got hair on it. Now this brush, I don't know if you guys can see it, bristles are really soft, which works really well in conjunction with the powder. I did accidentally use one of my normal toothbrushes with this one, and I found it was really harsh and abrasive used in conjunction with my normal toothbrush, which actually has a little bit of plastic in between the bristles. I found it was a little bit too harsh, so do make sure that you use a really soft toothbrush. If you don't get your hands on this specific brush, get a really soft, almost like a baby's toothbrush to use to brush your teeth. I feel like it really helps to kind of almost polish your teeth while using the charcoal. It doesn't really have a smell. It says it has a bit of a peppermint or spearmint flavor. I don't really notice that when I use it. It doesn't really taste like anything much to me. So I'm actually going to insert a little demo in here so you can see how the product works. It's super easy, guys. So the Coco Shine retails for $49.95 Australian, and they do ship worldwide. Now Coco Shine was actually really kind enough to provide me with a discount code to give you guys. So the discount code is just Ashlee20. I'll have it up on the screen somewhere here. That will give you 20% off, which is fantastic. I'll bring down the price a little bit. Now guys, I don't make any money off that code. It is just for you guys. So if you want to purchase it, then you can get it a little bit cheaper. Although it is a little bit pricey, the amount of product that you get is extreme, and it's going to last you so long. Although I haven't seen a huge difference, and you would have seen them before and after pictures, there's not like a huge difference, but you can see that it has been removing those stains. Like I said, I haven't been using this for the full 2 weeks, and I think as I continue to use it, it will really work to keep away those superficial coffee and Coke stains which I get on my teeth. I do also really love the benefits that this is helping my gums. I have noticed, like I said, less bleeding when I'm flossing, which is really great. I love that it's natural. It doesn't sting my teeth, which is like the main thing. I have noticed such a difference in the feeling of my teeth and my mouth in general. If you guys want to know anything more about Coco Shine, I will leave their website listed down below along with that discount code. If you are interested in trying it out, definitely grab yourself 20% off. Like I said, I don't get any commission from that. It's literally just for you guys, so I hope you guys can save some dollars. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave me a big like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.